Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Located here in Sapperton in New Westminster, this is the beautiful Brewery District. Coming in at just under 900 square feet, this unit is a 2-bed, 2-bath with an oversized primary bedroom as well as overheight ceilings. What's great about this property is obviously these massive Fraser River views. You also have a southern exposure with floor-to-ceiling windows, which allows a lot of natural light to come into the property. Located here in the amazing Brewery District, this community plan is all about convenience. You have all your amenities in just a short little area. You have the Sapperton SkyTrain station, you have Save on Foods, you have a Poke Bar, Shoppers, TD Bank, and Take 5 Cafe. This complex doesn't just come with an amenity room, it comes with an amenity complex. You have this cool hangout room here with pool table, foosball, and ping pong. You have this great open concept workspace, so if you're tired of working within your apartment itself, you can come down here, bring your lunch, and finish your workday in style. Along with its close proximity to downtown Vancouver as well as the Sapperton SkyTrain station, one of the biggest selling features of this unit is its massive amenity space. It's capped off here with this commercial-sized fitness center for all of your fitness needs. You have your own private squash court, you have sauna, steam room, yoga room, and a private area if you want to get your own private massage. This unit comes with 1 parking and 1 storage. You've already seen all the nice finishes this home has. The last thing for you to do is make an appointment with me. Welcome home.